Hello and welcome to TelecomTV. My name is Martin Warwick. We're here in Dusseldorf in Germany at the SDN and OpenFlow World Congress. And I'm talking with Mr. Yang Tao, who is the VP of Marketing and Solution Sales at Huawei. Welcome. I'd like to begin by asking you this. What do you think is the most critical challenge facing telecoms carriers in the ICT era?
Okay, this is a very good question, and this was a very big topic. Yeah. To my opinion, I think we are facing three key challenges. The first one, I think, is the network experience, network speed. Due to the mobile internet development, much more innovation, much more millions of app, millions of application service workers. And we believe that they rely on the network supporting. And we believe that this will increase the requirement about the network. For the network broadband, delay, yeah. So for the operators, how to deploy ubiquitous ultra broadband network, how to deploy a precise planning network to improve the experience of end users. That should be key. So I think this is the first challenge. The second one, I think, is the revenue issue. It's very hard for the operators to find new income in the industry. And in last decades, yeah, we rely on the voice revenue. And now we couldn't only rely on that. We must find new income, new revenue from new business. I believe that traffic monetization and cloud computing, big data, may be the answer for future. Yeah. The third one, I think, is the cost issue. It's very hard for the operators to decrease the capex continuously. So maybe we should do some transformation for our operation process and organization. Yeah, to improve our efficiency. Yeah, I believe that NFV and SDN should be an answer for this. It would unleash the power of the cloud era. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Second question. What value and business opportunities do you think NFV will bring to the global industry?
Oh, good question, yeah. I had a talk with many customers about this, Yeah, what is the driver for the NFV SDN? The first one, NFV SDN can typically improve the efficiency of the operation. It can support orchestration and automation, yeah. So which will help the operators to decrease the OPEX dramatically. Yeah, I think this is the first one. Secondly, NFV can improve the TTM, I mean the product time to market. Yeah. For the third parties, it provides one way to develop, to innovate new service, new app very quickly, and it can be easily deployed in the network. So for some giant operators, they have many sub-networks in different countries. Yeah. By this technology, it should be easy to deploy it. The third one, I think the NFV can help operators to integrate the IT and the CT business together. Yeah. So that's think what the NFV SDN can bring for us, and what's the value, the core value of this.
What do you think is the most important component or step to realize NFV openness?
Okay. And nowadays, the openness are very hot. Just in the summit, so I heard many words about openness, open source, open code. I believe that the cooperation between among the world parties in the ecosystem are very important. The cooperation, from operators, from the hardware, from the cloud platform, software middleware, APP, and the service integration provider, consultant service provider, all parties should be closely involved in and work together. Yes. And then we should take an active attitude for this tendency. Yes. We should do POC. We should develop the standardizations to realize the openness. Okay, that's my answer.
Thank you very much. Final question to you. Where then is the industry now in terms of NFV openness? Okay. It's the first part. And the second part, and what role does your company, Huawei, play in this process? Okay.
And we noticed that the many of operators, even some financial companies, they have much interest for this topic. So we take a very active investment in this domain. Yes, and by now, Huawei is the main contributor of the NFV standardizations. 2 years ago, the NFV ISG worked, and we take a role as the joint president of the basic infrastructure framework. Yeah, we are the main contributor. Besides for this, we also take an active invest on the OpenStack and OpenFV. Yeah, there are some new organizations. Yeah, we also contribute much more in these two organizations. Yeah, by now we are the one of the main contributor, the open source contributor of the OpenStack. Yeah, this is the first one. Secondly, we cooperate with partners, for some hardware partners, for cloud platform partners, for application providers, do at least 20 POCs all over the world. Yeah, we are very active. We are very open for the POC. We think each part of the NFV, the NFV divides for 3 layers: APP layers, cloud platform, and hardware. For each layer, we have components. For each components, yes, we'd like to cooperate with the partners to do POC. Yeah, we are very openness for NFV. Yeah. Thirdly, by now, we have taken part in 60 NFV SDN innovation projects all over the world. Yeah, where we work together with the customers, with the operators, and we find some detailed, improvements for the NFV SDN framework. Yes, and for example, we just have some test in Europe and in Asia. Yes, after the test, yeah, it output many benefit suggest and benefit comments for the industry, and we contribute to the whole industries. Yes, and the last one, for NVSDN is becoming our company level strategy. Yes, 3 years ago, Huawei strategy is our R&D strategy is to single strategy. We provide single solutions for customers. And 2 years ago, Archie arrived in. They need us to set a soft-com strategy. Yes, and by now we invest more than 1,500 years in the NV world. We believe also we believe that we must be the take a very important role in the NV-SDN industry. We would like to contribute much more for the industry. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Yang Tao, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you, Martin.